Hakajing persiang ban kentiu ka Ïalehkai ka jela Menteri rangba ka jela konrad ki sangma hak artrik nailar aca apsau ula penbena ba kasar jela kan bei hadu syejar Klur tengka nagmenta ban sina penbhai ki cekai Ïalehkai nalo kacing yarap pisa lengba ka local football club support scheme nagmenta ki club ki bana ka jela hapakren sikilat pathai kubor kan opai sengi ka artrik nailar aca apsau Menteri rangba ula kedau bakumba ars pa nyepsan teli ki cekai Ïalehkai thamai kidang sina hakeleng ka jela dak bob tebru bak sarkar jela shen kan sapri pajba ya commission football 2 ban kentiu ke football ki kerdan ba syapo hak jela dak ba pentingna ban tei sispa kharbai teli ki grassroots center hageleng ka jela ka ba hadu prajar ngut ki kena kiyo ci kai manlau snem haba pentep pat halo ka local football club support scheme Menteri rangba ulau makani ka scheme kan ajing rap hadu like Klur tengka nang mtaki like club berkesan lak tengka nam taki klub ki boret.
We are officially going to launch the football mission 2 in the state very soon. You're aware that we have approximately about 100 plus minus grassroots centers that are functioning under the grassroots, the football mission program at the grassroots level. We plan to expand that much more aggressively in the future so that more youngsters can get an opportunity to get trained, get professional help and professional support at the rural level also, and that we hope will then produce many more talented footballers and allow them to come into the mainstream football scenario at the national as well as hopefully the international level also. So that's the first most important thing I would like to share with you. The second most important thing I would like to share with you is that the government has also decided that we need to support our different clubs at different levels, and therefore we are going to start a special program where under the government we are going to support different clubs in terms of financial support, and we're starting with football, and as we move along hopefully in other sports and disciplines also it will happen. So we have two categories where we're going to support local clubs. The first one is what we call the elite clubs, which is the I-League and above, those clubs that make it to the I-League and above. The government will support them with a grant of 2 crores and an additional 1 crore through sponsorship. So 2 plus 3 plus 1. This is a fund that we are giving to support and to motivate clubs that are doing well. So this fund will be given to the clubs that are able to make it to the elite club, which is the I-League and above tournaments that are there at the national level. So there are of course very few clubs right now in Meghalaya that make it, but we're hoping that with this incentive that we plan to give, which is 2 crores plus another 1 crore through sponsorship, 2 crores from the state government, we're hoping that this would be a motivation for other clubs to start doing better and performing better in the future. While we do that, we also realize that there are many clubs at the grassroots level which may not have that kind of talent and exposure yet to be at the elite club. So based on different criteria and categories, we will work out more details on this, but we do plan to come out with what we call the grassroots and the intermediate clubs. So we plan to support them up to 15 lakhs to these clubs also, which can be in any part of the state, and we will come out with certain criteria. Again, this is being done to promote and to support football. No, 1,000 crores worth of projects is ongoing. So we have about 275 infrastructures, including this, including the 120 or 130 crores of indoor facility going on just behind this particular structure, including the 2 phases of the PS Sangma Stadium. So first phase, the football part is over, but the indoor stadium is still going on. The YJ has been completed. So like that, just Honorable Minister has just recently invested announced and tendered out close to about 7-8 artificial turf things. There are some swimming pools being built up. So stuff like that. So we have got multiple projects going on.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya